Hey guys, Corpse here. Today just going to be doing another guide for PC, and this time specifically I'm going to be doing a guide for Dark Souls. So sometimes, and I looked this up, and I only knew about this because I found the answer online, but it wasn't a video, and a lot of people don't want to have to actually read things, they just want to watch something to find out the information. So that's kind of what I'm here for today. So basically, anytime I've gotten done playing a FromSoftware game, Sekiro, Dark Souls 2, 3, blah blah blah, whatever. I've noticed sometimes when I stop playing and unplug my controller, my mouse gets like really slow. It's usually like this, but sometimes it gets super slow. And I found out that the reason why is click here, search, go to mouse, just type in mouse, go to mouse settings, and then right here there's something called enhanced pointer precision, and you want to turn that on. It's on for me right now. Usually it's off, and as you can see, my mouse is very slow, so make sure that's on. And I don't know exactly how to stop it from turning it off when you play a FromSoftware game, but just so you know, anytime your mouse seems really slow after playing, all you gotta do is just click it back on and it should be good. So yeah, bye.